Hello children, very good morning ma. I am Navya teacher. Yesterday we discussed the chapter 3 numbers, but we leave some chapters in our math ma. We are leaving third chapter due to the COVID, due to the online classes. We are leaving some chapters. In that chapters, third chapter is also there. So we are leaving third chapter. So, but we also learn the number names. We are leaving third chapter, but we learn the number names. Yesterday we learned the number names up to 70 to 80. So today we are learn 80 to 100. Okay, 80 to 100. All of you take out your home classwork notebook. Take out your math classwork notebook and write down number names. Okay, number names 80 to 100. Okay, start writing. Read and write all of you. Okay, read and write 80. From 80 to we are writing EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. Next one 81. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. EIGHTY 80. TWO 82. EIGHTY 80. TWO 82. Next one EIGHTY 80. THRE 83. EIGHTY 80. THRE 83. Next one EIGHTY 80. FOUR 84. EIGHTY 80. FOUR 84. EIGHTY 80. FIVE 85. Write down ma. Read and write all of you. Okay. 85. EIGHTY 80. FIVE 85. EIGHTY 80. FIVE. All of you down your pencils and start reading ma. Hold your hands. Start reading. Okay. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 80. ONE 81. EIGHTY 80. TWO 82. EIGHTY 80. TWO 82. EIGHTY 80. THRE 83. EIGHTY 80. FOUR 84. EIGHTY 80. FIVE 85. Okay, is this clear? Okay, we start writing 86. From 86 we have to write. Okay, 86. EIGHTY 80. 6 SIX 6 86. EIGHTY 80. SIX 6 86. Next one EIGHTY 80. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. EIGHTY 80. SEVEN 7 87. Next one EIGHTY 80. 8. EIGHTY 8 88. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 8 88. Next one EIGHTY 80. 9 NINE 9 89. EIGHTY 80. NINE 9 89 90. NINTY 90. 89 after 90. NINTY 90. NINTY 90. Okay, down your pencil, start reading ma. EIGHTY 80. SIX 6 86. EIGHTY 80. SEVEN 7 87. EIGHTY 80. EIGHTY 8 88, 88. EIGHTY, 80. NINE, 89, 89. Next one, 90. NINTY, 90. NINTY, 90. Okay, children? Okay, we have to write from 90 to 100. Okay, from 90 we have to write. Okay, 91. NINTY, 90. ONE1, 91. NINTY, 90. ONE1. Sorry, ma. From 92 we have to write. Okay, 90. NINETY, 90. Okay, children. NINETY, 90. 90. Okay. NINE, 90. ONE1, 91. NINE, 90. ONE1, 91. Okay. NINE, 90. TWO2, 92. NINE, 90. TWO2, 92. TWO2, 92. Next one. NINE, 90. THREE3, 93. NINE, 90. THREE3, 93. Next one. NINE, 90. FOUR4, 94. Next one. NINE, 90. FIV5, 95. NINE, 90. FIV5, 95. Okay, start reading more down your pencils. NINE, 90. NINE, 90. NINE, 90. ONE1, 91. 91. Next one, 92. NINE, 90. TWO2, 92. NINE, 90. THREE3, 93. NINE, 90. FOUR4, 94. NINE, 90. FIV5, 95. Okay, we have to write from 96. Read and write, ma. All of you read and write. Okay, read and write. 96 we have to write. Okay. NINE, 90. SIX6, 96. NINE, 90. SIX6, 96. Next one. NINE, 90. SEVEN7, 97. SEVEN7, 97. NINE, 90. EIGHT8, 98. NINE, 90. 99. NINE, 9. NINE, 9. 99. NINE, 90. NINE, 9. 99. 100. HUN, DRE, 100. Okay. 100. HUN, DRE, 100. Okay, children. Down your pencils and start reading, ma. NINE, 90. SIX6, 96. NINE, 90. SEVEN7, 97. 97. NINE, 90. 90, EICHT 8, 98, NINE 9, TY 90, NINE 9, 99, 99, 100, HUNDRE 100, HUNDRE 100. Okay, children, these are the number names from 1 to 100. So you have to read. Okay, today you have to read from 80 to 100. Okay, 80 to 100 you have to read and write in your homework notebook one time. Okay, from 80 to 100 every day you have to read 10 number names. Okay, children. Okay, your project work, you have to do the project work for FA1 exam. You have to do the project work. Our math project work is you have to do the shapes with the cardboard. Okay, with the cardboard you have to do the shapes. For example, triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay, you have to do the cardboard. For example, this is a cardboard, no? This is a cardboard. For example, you see, this is a cardboard. You do the shape. You do the triangle shape this with the cardboard. Okay. So you have to do the triangle shape and you have to do the circle shape and color that cardboards. Okay, children. This is your project work. What is your project work, ma? You have to do the shapes. You have to do the shapes with the cardboard. Take your parents' help and do the project work. Okay, children. You have to submit on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. Only 3 days you have. So you have to do the project work. What is your project work? You have to do the shapes with the cardboard. Okay, cardboard. You have to do the shapes. What are the shapes? Triangle, rectangle. Okay, triangle, rectangle, and a circle. Okay, you have square. You have to do the shapes and color the shapes. Okay, children, and paste in your project work notebook or home classwork notebook. Okay, paste in your project work notebook or classwork notebook. Okay, children, this is your project work. Okay, today you have to read from 80 to 100. You have to read. Okay, children, is this clear? Yes, tomorrow I will meet you, children. Bye, ma.